Part 4 of Daily Shenanigans of being a life insurance agent. And the client I helped gave me permission to share this because I was just so mind blown. Disclaimer out there, I'm never the type of agent that will bash any companies. I'm simply only putting facts out there. So if y'all try to come at me in these comments, talk to the insurer. And this video is for educational purposes because I want to make sure that you're not being overtaxed on your life insurance policy. So I had a lady who wanted to get a free overview of her policy, right? I'm like, hey, no problem. We do free policy overviews all the time. Let me look at your policy. She has a policy with a company that starts with a P, ends with America. I'm not going to say the company, but you get where I'm going. She's 30 years old, and she's a smoker. Now, I told her, you need to put them cigarettes back because that's not a good habit to have. You're too young to be smoking cigarettes. But I'm not her. I'm going to continue to tell the story. Anyways, if you're watching it, it's all love. She knows it. So I started to ask her, get more information about her policy, her plan. I'm like, great, how much coverage do you have? I got $150,000. I say, great. How much you're paying? It's like, I'm paying $95 a month. I'm like, okay. Keep going. Then she goes, I've had the policy for the last 2 years, and every time the anniversary day hits, it increases. If you're a licensed life insurance agent, you know exactly what type of product this is, or I at least hope you do. I'm going to break it down to you. So there's a certain type of policy that's called a ART, which stands for Annual Renewable Term, which is exactly what it sounds like. Every single year, this policy renews and the cost of insurance increases. So typically with an annual renewable term, you're literally paying nothing. That wasn't the case for this person. Like an annual renewable term for her as a smoker, one of my companies and my carriers, it costs $8.98 a month. She was paying $96 a month for a $150,000 term policy that renews every single year. Y'all, my mind was blown. So solution, because I love solutions. And I say this to all my clients. If I can get you more coverage with more benefits at the same price, if not a little less than or maybe a little bit over, would that be something of value to you? She says, absolutely. You guys, I found this lady a policy, the extra $350,000 of coverage, so $500,000 total. We ended up doing a 20-year term policy. It was $95 a month with living benefits. God forbid you get sick, i.e. heart attack, stroke, cancer by accident. You can accelerate the money in your life insurance policy while you're alive. And I still bid the price. Now, I want to make one thing very clear. My goal is to not bash any companies because if you have life insurance, that's awesome. My main goal here is to make sure that my people are properly educated so they're not being taxed on policies and they have less benefits. Now, if you currently have a policy and you want a free overview, go ahead, hit the link in my bio, select policy overview, and I'm more than happy to educate you because you may be getting taxed on your life insurance policies too. Sheesh.